Students. Yes, friends, today our topic is algebraic expressions. So we'll discuss about algebraic expressions. Well, first of all, what are an algebraic expression? Yes, friends, the collection of constant and variables connected by one or more than one operations are known as algebraic expressions. Yes, friends, the collection of constant and variable connected with one or more than one operations are known as algebraic expressions. For example, 4x plus 5. This is an algebraic expression. Yes, friends. Now we'll discuss what are constants, what are variables, and what are operations by which these algebraic expressions are formed. In this expression, 4x plus 5. Number 5, 4 and 5. These are constants. And next are, what are variables? Here, x is a variable. X is a variable. And operations, plus, minus, multiplication and division. These are four operations by which these algebraic expressions are connected. Clear, students? So, what are an algebraic expressions? The collection of constants and variables connected by one or more than one operations are known as algebraic expressions. A few more examples of an algebraic expressions are, for example, 5y power 3 minus 7. Next is 2xy plus 11. These are few algebraic expressions. Clear, students? Next, what are terms of an algebraic expressions? Our next point is terms. What are terms of an algebraic expressions? Yes, friends, the various parts, any part of an algebraic expression which is joined with four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are four expressions are known its terms. So what are terms? The various part of an algebraic expression which are joined by four operations are known the terms of this algebraic expression. For example, we have an algebraic expression 3x. We have 3x plus 7y square. Now, what are the terms of this algebraic expression? The terms are 3x and 7y square. These are two terms of this algebraic expressions. So basically, what are terms? Each part of an algebraic expression which is joined by four operations are known the terms of an algebraic expressions. In this expression, our algebraic expression is 3x plus 7y square. Now, what are the terms of this algebraic expression? The terms are 3x and 7y square. In this algebraic expression, we have two terms. In an algebraic expression, we have one, more than one, two, three, four, five terms it can be. एक ही algebraic expression में बेटा 2, 3, 4 इस number of terms हो सकती हैं which are joined by with the help of four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Clear, students? What are terms? Next is constant terms. Constant terms. What are constant terms? The terms of an algebraic expression having no variable is called constant expression. For example, we have expression 5y cube minus 7. In this expression, we have two terms. First is 5y cube. Second is 7. So constant terms are those terms which have no variable. So in this our second term 7 have no variable. So 7 is a constant term. Minus 7 is a constant term. Next are factors. Each term is joined with the help of product. For example, 5xy. It means 5 multiplied by x multiplied by y. 5xy means 5 multiply x multiply y. So what are factors? Each part of term which is multiply with each other are known as a factors. So factor of this term are 5x and y. These are factors. Clear, students? Next is like terms and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. Unlike terms. Yes, friends. What are like terms? The terms having same variable. The terms having same variable are known as like terms. First, what are like terms? Yes, friends, what are like terms? The terms having same variable are known as like terms. For example, 3xy. And second term is 6xy. Next is only xy. Now observe, in first term, we have variables x and y. In second term, variables x, y, and in third term, we have once again we have variables x and y. All three terms having the same variables. So these terms are like terms. Numerical coefficient should be different. For example, here numerical different coefficient is 3, 6, here 1. Numerical coefficient different हो सकता है, but term should be same. So basically what are like terms? Two or more than two terms having the same variables are known as like terms. Next is unlike terms. Unlike terms. If two or more than two terms having different variable, then these terms are unlike terms. For example, our first expression is x and y, and second expression is xz. Now, in first, how these two terms are formed: x multiplied by y, then x multiplied by z. The variables are different, so it means xy and xz, these are unlike terms. Next is xy and x square y. Now, in first term, the variables are x and y. Then in second term, variable are x and y. But here, the power of x is 2. So it means these are unlike terms. These are not like terms, beta. So, what are unlike terms? If two terms having different variable, then these terms are unlike terms. Yes, is it clear? Next, we'll discuss type of algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expressions. First type is monomials. First is monomials. Second type, binomials. Third is trinomials. Yes, friends. These are three types of an algebraic expressions. First are monomials. An algebraic expressions having only one term. So what are monomials? And algebraic expressions having only one term. Then these types of expressions are monomials. For example, 5x, 3y, 2ab, these are monomials. Yes, friends, an algebraic expression having one term are known as monomials. Next is binomials, an algebraic expression having two unlike terms are binomials. For example, 5x plus 3y. In this expression, we have two terms. First is 5x and the second is 3y. Both are unlike terms. So, these types of expressions are binomials. So, binomials are an algebraic expression having two unlike terms are known as binomials. Next is trinomials, an algebraic expression having three unlike terms are known as trinomials. For example, 3x 3x minus 2xy plus 5x square y square. Now in this algebraic expression we have three terms, first, second and third. We have three terms and all three terms are unlike terms. So these types of expressions are trinomials. Next is multinomials and algebraic expressions having two or more than two unlike terms are known as multinomials. Clear, students? So first we'll discuss what are an algebraic expressions. The collection of constant and variable which are joined with the help of four operations are known as algebraic expression. Next, terms. What are terms? Each part of an algebraic expression which is joined with the help of four expressions are known as terms. For example, 3x plus 7y square. Now, what are the terms of this algebraic expression? They have two terms, 3x and 7y square. These are 3x and 7y square. These are two terms of this algebraic expression. Next point we discuss constant terms. A part of an algebraic expression which have no variable. The term which have without variable is known as constant term. For example, 7. In this expression, 5y power 3 minus 7. In first term, we have variable y power 3. And in second term, we have only 7, minus 7. So, this is a constant term. The term without variable is constant term. Next point we discuss like and unlike terms. So students, what are like and unlike terms? First we'll discuss like terms. Two or more than two terms, if two or more than two terms having same variable, then these terms are like terms. For example, 3xy, 6xy, xy. Now in these three terms having same variable xy, xy, xy. So these terms are like terms. Clear, students? Next is unlike terms. If two or more than if two and more than two terms having different variable, then these terms are unlike terms. For example, x, y, x, z. The variables are different. So these terms are unlike terms. Clear, students? Next, types of an algebraic expressions. First is monomial. If an algebraic expression have only one term, if an algebraic expression having only one term, then these types of expressions are known as monomials. For example, 5x, 3y, 2ab. These are three algebraic expressions. Next is binomial, an algebraic expression having two terms. having two terms are known as binomials. For example, 5x plus 3y. In this expression, we have two terms, 5x and 3y, and two terms having the different variable. First x, second y. So 5x plus 3y is a binomial. Next is trinomial. An algebraic expression having three unlike terms is known as trinomials. For example, 3x minus 2xy plus 5x square y square. In this expression, we have three terms and all three terms having different variable. So this is known as trinomials. Next is multinomials. An algebraic expression having more than three terms are known as multinomials. Clear, students? Next, we discuss few questions for practice. First, I discuss form an algebraic expression using variables, constants, and arithmetic operations. Now form the algebraic expressions using variables, constants, and arithmetic operations. The first question is 6 more than thrice a number x. 6 more than thrice a number x. Yes, students. Here form an algebraic expression 6 more than thrice a number x. Yes, students. Here thrice means 3 times. Thrice means 3 times. Now your algebraic expression is thrice a number x means 3x. Thrice a number x is means 3x. 6 more than plus 6. So our algebraic expression is 3x plus 6. Clear, students? Second is 5 times x subtracted from 13. 5 times x subtracted from 13. 5 times x subtracted from 13. From 13, it means first write 30. Subtracted 5 times x means 5x. So our algebraic expression is 13 minus 5x. Next is third. The numbers x and y both squared and added. The numbers x and y both squared and added. So first we'll square x square plus y square. Both the number x and y squared and added. So algebraic expression is x square plus y square. Yes, friends. Next is write an algebraic expression whose terms are given. Second, write an algebraic expression whose terms are given. So our terms are 5a minus 3b and c. These are three terms. Now your question is, write an algebraic expression whose terms are given. We have three terms, 5a minus 3b and c. Now write the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression should be 5a minus 3b plus c. Yes. Next is identify the terms and factors. Identify the terms and factors, and our expression is 8x plus 3y square. 8x plus 3y square. Now your question is, identify the terms, then factors. First we will identify terms. Yes friends, in this algebraic expression we have two terms, 8x and 3y square. Yes friends, now your question is, identify the terms and its factors. In this algebraic expression 8x plus 3y square, we have two terms, 8x and 3y. So terms are 8x and 3y square. Now find what are factors. Factors. Now in first term, 8x means 8 multiplied by x. Now in second term, 3y square, it means 3 multiplied by y multiplied by y. So factors are 8x, 3, next is y and y. So these are two terms, and there are four factors, 8x, 8x, 3y, y. Your question is, identify the terms and its factors. And we have an algebraic expression 8x plus 3y square. First we will identify terms. In this expression we have two terms, 8x and 3y square. Now find the factors. In first term we have two factors, 8 multiplied by x, and in second term we have three factors, 3 multiplied by y multiplied by y. So all factors of this algebraic expression is 8x, 3y, y. Yes friends, next is show the terms and their factors by tree diagram. Show the terms and their factors. Terms and factors. Now we have an algebraic expression 5x y square plus 7x square y. This is our algebraic expression. Now show the terms and factors with the help of tree diagram. First we will separate the terms. Yes, friends. In this algebraic expression, we have two terms. First is 5xy square. 5xy square. Second term is 7x square y. This is our algebraic expression, and there are two terms in this expression. Now separate the factors. In first term, we have factors 5x y. And in second term, we have factors 7x, x and y. So these are factors and terms of this algebraic expression. Yes, friends. Next is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Addition and subtraction of an algebraic expressions. Yes, friends. When we add or subtract these expressions, we can add only like terms. Yes, friends, when we add or subtract these algebraic expressions, we will add only like terms. For example, your first question is 7x and minus 3x. 7x, now add these algebraic expressions. Now we have 7x, then plus minus 3x. These are like terms, so we can add first 7x plus minus. The rule of integers, like plus is equal to plus, minus plus minus, and minus plus minus. These four rules we'll use. First 7x as it is, then plus minus, then 3x. Now 7x minus 3x, we have 4x. So our answer is 4x. Second is when we add unlike terms. For example, we have 7x and second is minus 3y. Now add these unlike terms. We have 7x plus minus 3y. So 7x plus minus 3y, because 7x and 3y, these are unlike terms. So answer is 7x minus 3y. Clear, students? Now next is simplify these expressions. First is 21b minus 32 plus 7 minus 8. B. Yes, friends. Now add these, simplify this term. First, we will combine the like terms. Like terms are 21b and 8b, and these are two constant terms. So, combine the like terms. These are 21b plus, minus 8b. 21b and 8b minus 32 plus 7. Now students, 21b and 8b, these are like terms. So 21 minus 8 is 13. 13b. Next is minus 32 plus 7. Minus 32 plus 7. Minus plus minus. So 32 minus 7 is 25. Minus 25. Dear students, so in this lecture, we'll discuss what are algebraic expressions, terms, constant terms, factors, like,